Welcome to Everyday English Excellence.
I've been thinking, what if we move in together?
Really? Do you think we're ready for that step?
Yes, I do. I think it would be nice to share a space with you.
I like the idea, but I'm worried. What if we fight more when we live together?
We've been through tough times already. I believe we'll handle it.
I guess you're right. It's just a bit scary, but exciting too.
We'll figure it out, one step at a time. We've always done that.
Okay, let's take the next step together then.
How about we go on a weekend trip?
That sounds amazing. Where do you want to go?
I was thinking of the mountains. What do you think?
I love it. But should we book a hotel or stay in a cabin?
A cozy cabin would be perfect.
Yes, we can cook meals together and relax by the fire.
It'll be our little escape from the world.
I can't wait. Let's make it happen.
I didn't like how you talked to me earlier.
I'm sorry if I hurt you. I didn't mean to.
It just felt like you weren't listening to me.
I see. I'll do better. Your feelings matter to me.
I just want us to communicate better.
You're right. We should talk calmly next time.
I'm not mad, I just needed to tell you how I feel.
I appreciate that. We'll work on this together.
Sometimes I wonder if we're on the same page.
What do you mean? Do you feel distant from me?
A little. I just want to make sure we're both happy.
I am happy with you. But we can always improve, right?
Yes, we can. I want us to grow together.
I feel the same way. Let's keep talking about how we feel.
I love that we can be open with each other.
Me too. That's what makes us strong.
Have you thought about our future together?
I think about it a lot. What do you imagine?
I see us building a life, maybe getting married someday.
I'd love that, but do you think we're ready for that step?
We don't have to rush. I just want to know if it's something you want too.
It is. I can see us having a home, maybe even kids.
That makes me happy to hear.
We'll get there when the time is right.
What do you want for dinner tonight?
I'm thinking pasta. What about you?
I like that. Should we cook together?
Yes. I'll make the sauce, you can do the pasta.
Deal. It'll be a fun little dinner date at home.
I love when we cook together.
Me too. It feels special, even for simple meals.
Every moment with you feels special.
You seem down. Are you okay?
It's just been a rough day at work.
Want to talk about it? I'm here for you.
I just feel overwhelmed. Nothing's going right.
I know it's tough, but you're strong. You'll get through this.
Thank you for saying that. It helps to hear it.
You're not alone in this. I'm with you always.
I'm so grateful for you. You make everything better.
What if I get the job in the new city? Would you move with me?
That's a big decision. I'd have to think about it.
I understand. It's a lot to consider.
I'd love to be with you, but we'd need to plan it well.
We'd figure it out together. I don't want to leave without you.
That means a lot to me. I want to be with you too.
We'll take it step by step.
Yes, we can make it work, no matter what.
Do you think we've been arguing more lately?
I've noticed it too. It's been hard to communicate.
I don't like it. I want us to be in a good place.
Me too. Maybe we need to spend more time just talking.
You're right. We've both been stressed and taking it out on each other.
I'm sorry for my part in that. I don't want us to drift apart.
We'll get through this. We just need to stay open and honest.
Yes, I believe in us.
Do you think we need to save more money?
Probably. We've been spending a lot lately.
Maybe we should set a budget together.
That's a good idea. It'll help us manage things better.
We can still enjoy life, just with a plan.
Yes, it's all about balance.
Let's work on it this weekend, okay?
Absolutely. We'll handle it together.
Can you believe it's our anniversary already?
Time flies. I'm so glad we've come this far.
Me too. Every day with you has been special.
You make me so happy. I wouldn't trade this for anything.
I feel the same way. Here's to many more years together.
Yes, many more. Let's keep growing and loving each other.
I couldn't ask for a better partner.
And I couldn't ask for a better love.
Do you ever think about chasing that dream of yours?
Sometimes, but it feels scary to take the leap.
You should go for it. I'll support you all the way.
That means a lot, but what if I fail?
Even if you fail, I'll be here. We'll figure it out together.
You're always my biggest cheerleader. It gives me strength.
You've got this. I believe in you.
Thank you. I'll do my best.
Do you trust me?
Of course I do. Why do you ask?
I just want to make sure we're always honest with each other.
I agree. Trust is important. I've never doubted you.
That means a lot to me. I'll always be open with you.
And I'll do the same. We're stronger because of it.
I feel lucky to have this trust between us.
Me too. It's what makes our bond special.
Do you ever feel like you need more space?
Sometimes, but it's not about wanting to be away from you.
I understand. It's healthy to have time for ourselves.
Exactly. I love being with you, but a little personal time is good too.
I agree. We can balance time together and apart.
Yes, it doesn't mean I love you any less.
I know that. I want us both to feel comfortable.
And I do, because we respect each other's needs.
Have you thought about introducing me to your family?
I've been thinking about it. I'm a bit nervous though.
Nervous? Why?
I just hope they like you as much as I do.
I'm sure they will. I'm looking forward to meeting them.
I know they'll see what I see in you.
That makes me feel better. We'll take it one step at a time.
Yes, we'll make it a good experience.
Where should we go for our next vacation?
I was thinking somewhere tropical, maybe the beach?
That sounds perfect. We could relax and enjoy the sun.
Yes, and just spend quality time together away from everything.
I love the idea. Let's start planning.
We can look for places this weekend.
I can't wait to make new memories with you.
Me too. It'll be amazing.
Do you think we're on the same page about our relationship?
I do, but I think it's important to talk about our expectations.
You're right. What do you expect from us in the future?
I expect us to keep growing together and supporting each other.
That's what I want too. To be each other's support.
As long as we keep communicating, we'll be okay.
I agree. We'll stay honest and keep working together.
That's the key to a strong relationship.
You don't seem like yourself today. What's wrong?
It's just been a rough day. Everything went wrong.
I'm sorry to hear that. Want to talk about it?
Not really, I just need a hug.
Come here. You don't have to face it alone.
Thank you. It feels better just being with you.
I'm always here for you, no matter what.
That's all I need right now.
Do you ever think about us living together?
I do, but I wonder if we're ready for that.
I think it would be nice to come home to you every day.
That sounds wonderful, but it's a big change.
We'd figure it out together, just like we always do.
You're right. As long as we communicate, we'll be fine.
I believe it'll bring us even closer.
I think so too. Let's start talking about it seriously.
Where do you see yourself in the next 5 years?
I'm not sure yet. I know I want to keep growing, but what about you?
I want to be with you, building something stable.
That sounds nice. I'd love for us to reach our goals together.
We'll support each other through everything.
Exactly. It's about being a team, no matter what life brings.
I'm excited for our future together.
Me too. We're in this for the long haul.
We need to figure out how to divide the chores.
Yeah, I've been thinking the same. It'll help keep things balanced.
How about I take care of the dishes, and you handle the laundry?
Sounds good. I'll also take out the trash if you do the cooking.
Deal. This way, we'll both share the work.
It's fair. Plus, it'll keep our place tidy.
I like that we're a team even with the small things.
Me too. It makes life so much easier.
I got the job. Can you believe it?
That's amazing. I knew you could do it.
I'm so excited, but a little nervous too.
You'll do great. They're lucky to have you.
Thanks. Your support means the world to me.
I'll always be here to cheer you on.
I couldn't have done it without you.
We're a team, and I'm proud of you.
Have you thought about our future together long term?
I think about it a lot. Do you?
Definitely. I see us staying together for the long run.
That makes me happy. I want the same thing.
We've built something strong, and I want it to last.
Me too. We just need to keep working on us.
And we will, one day at a time.
With you by my side, I know we'll make it.
Can you believe how far we've come?
It feels like yesterday we just met. Time flies.
We've been through so much together, and we've only gotten stronger.
I'm so proud of us. We've grown together.
I wouldn't trade any of it for the world.
Neither would I. It's been an incredible journey.
I can't wait to see where life takes us next.
Wherever it is, I'm glad we're doing it together.
And that's it for today's video. I hope these simple conversations help you improve your English. Remember, practice makes perfect. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more updates. See you in the next video. Bye!